Okay, everyone, if you are a special education student at school and you are a special education teacher or administrator, or if you are a parent with a special education student that goes to school, you need to figure out a way to make sure that your student overcomes their fear of fire alarms at school. A lot of special education students have a real fear of fire alarms because of the sound, sometimes the flashing strobe light, but mostly the sound that the alarm produces. It is just too much. A lot of special education students are so scared of fire alarms that some of them have a accommodation to be taken out of the building before a fire drill occurs, so the alarm doesn't scare those students. A lot of special education students have a real fear of fire alarms. It has been a problem for years. It has been a problem for years. Special education students and fear of fire alarms at school. I blame the horn strobes for this mess. Horn strobes should be banned from schools. They should have been banned from schools years ago. Every school should have voice evacuation systems, aka speaker strobes, instead of horn strobes for the fire alarm. Especially in the special education classroom. Special education students have a big problem when it comes to fire drills, and they freak out when the fire alarm goes off at school because they don't like the sound of the alarm. The sound of the alarm really scares them. Special education students really get bothered when the fire alarm goes off at school. Including me. I am a special education student, and I get scared when the fire alarm goes off at school because of the sound that the alarm produces. Bye.